Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamer Models. Going to do a little look at a tool here. It's not quite a tool review because I haven't used it yet, but we're going to take a look at it and give my overall impressions of this tool. It's not going to come in a whole lot of use for me at the moment, but I picked it up at the hobby store for a decent price. This is RB Productions RB-T0211 Scribe R angled right-handed panel scribing tool. So again, that's RB-T0211, and it appears to be a piece of photo etch with some instructions here. So let's open it up and see what we got here. Now this just came like this. I haven't even opened it yet, and I'm going to attempt to put one of these together here. So here's what the fret looks like so. And it appears to have different angles on it: a 75, a 60, a 45, and a 30. It appears all these are the same. So all these four main parts are the same, and they look like they have little teeth on the round part there. So we're going to take a look at these. So, and then I got you can buy these X-Acto knife handles in bulk for just insanely cheap to put them in. So I just basically pull out the blade, put it in a dish, and save it for later. So, and these are the good ones. They have the round hole in there, so you can put like one of these bits in there and tighten it down, and remount a hole or something like that. So these are nice. Another great Amazon product. But this is what I'm gonna put one of these in. So let's take a look. Basically, insert blade into this slot. Note the position of lines etched on the back of the blade. The dot etched on the back of the blade. Bend the blade along the etch lines. Blade tabs lock into slot in the holder. Repeat bending will weaken the steel. So it is steel. Okay, so, and then it tells you how to properly use them for scribing. So let us try to get one of these out with my Xeron photo etch clippers here. I'm going to back out a little bit so I'm on camera. I'm going to cut this one out right. And it won't go in there. So I'm going to have to use a blade and dull it. So that's not cool. So we're going to use the brand new blade. I'm going to use the brand new blade I used, just put in the scalpel. I don't even think that touched it. I don't think this is going to cut it either. Okay, so I'm just going to hack into this plate here, like so. Like that. Like that. So I can get in there. I had not anticipated these to be this difficult to get off. Okay, so I got that one off. Got a little bit of fret left there. Let's clip that off. Looks good. Okay, so we got one of these off. Alright, now I'm just going to cut this 75 off because it's closest. you have a better way of getting into these things other than this, you guys let me know in the comments, because I did not anticipate this kind of action here. Okay, so I got the 75 out. So trim that off. Now, okay, so we have that, and we have, so let's take a look at what we have here. So, looks like it inserts like so here. So it inserts like that. Then it bends on. So I'm going to use my bending pliers. Sorry for bumping the camera. I'm going to use my bending pliers to bend it. Okay, so well, this is so bend it a little bit to get it started, and we'll see how that lines up in the slots there. There we go. So there we go. We have put this together. It is the 75 degree scribing tool. We will open up our handle blade here, and we will lock it down in there like that. And now we have a scribing tool that took way longer than I anticipated. I just wanted to show this off and give you a look at it, because I plan on doing some weld seams with one of these, and I don't think this one will work, but I'll give you, like, there is a weld bead here. I want to clear that out, and I want to make some with some epoxy sculpt green stuff mixture I use. And then you can also use this little bladed end right here, like so. But it's basically, and you can dig out a weld. That's what I'm going to use it for. Scribe panel lines on a aircraft, all that good stuff with it. So it's pretty cool. I have other scribing tools, but I wanted to try these. I saw these. I see a lot of people giving them rave reviews on the internet, so I figured I would give them a shot. There you go. A little more complicated to put together than I had anticipated, but I was able to do it. Xuron Photo Etch shears to the rescue. So that will do it for this video. It is RB Productions RBT0211 scribed right angled right-handed panel scribing tools. Again, I got them from my local hobby store. I'm not aware if they sell them on Amazon or whatnot. So these are pretty cool. Gives you nice little instructions on how to put it together, and you get 4 of them in the package. Some of them had less than 4, but it wasn't that much more for the 4, and I saw the different angles, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Thank you for watching, and for Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. Have a great day.